So, our topic pa rin is about shear stress. So, this problem, compute the maximum force P that can be applied to the foot pedal. The 6 mm diameter pin at P is in single shear and its working shear stress is 28 MPa. The cable attached at C has a diameter of 3 mm and the working normal stress of 140 MPa. So, we will have reaction here at B, upward. We will call it as RBY. We will have a horizontal direction, which is, we will call it as RBX. To find that force, gagamit tayo ng summation of forces in X and Y direction. Summation of forces in Y direction is equal to 0. So we will have negative P minus T sine of 10 plus the RBY is equal to 0. So RBY is equal to the P plus T sine 10. Summation of forces in X direction is equal to 0. So meron tayong negative RBX plus cosine of 10 multiplied by the T is equal to 0. So RBX is equal to cosine 10 multiplied by T. So, summation of moment naman at B para mawala yung mga reaction natin. Then, makukuha natin yung force P using the force T. So, yun, gets yun, di ba? So, summation of moment at B. Summation of moment at B is equal to 0. Clockwise. As positive tayo, favorite natin yung clockwise. So, clockwise yung rotation ng force T. So, meron tayong sine T sine of 10 multiply by 50 kasi yun yung moment arm niya. Perpendicular kung saan tayo nagmo-moment. Laging perpendicular. Hindi siya pwede naka-incline kasi mali yung magiging sagot niya. So, meron tayong force P. So, force P multiply by 150. So, negative siya kasi counter yung magiging rotation. Negative P multiplied by 150 is equal to 0. So, RT, so using algebra, yung T natin is magiging 17.2763. 17.2763P. So, using this, we can substitute it to get the force P na nasa normal stress, Meron na tayong, so our formula for the normal stress is sigma is equal to the force which is perpendicular dun sa cross section divided by the area. So we will have force yung kailangan natin. So force is equal to the sigma multiplied by the area. So force, meron tayong force which is 17.2763P. 17.2763P is equal to the 140 MPa, which is Newton per millimeter squared multiplied by the area, which is pi over 4 kasi in terms of diameter. Pi over 4 multiplied by 3 mm diameter. So 3 squared mm squared. So makancel yung unit natin na mm. So, divide natin by 17.2763. So, 17.2763. Our force P now is equal to what? So, on natin yung calculator. Then, 140 multiply by 3 squared divided by 17.2763. Meron tayong 57.2809. 57.2809 MP. Ay, Newton na lang pala to. Newton. So, ito yung force natin. Dun sa, dito sa cable na to, no? Dito. Ito yung force natin sa cable. Ay, hindi. Ito pala. Yung maximum force P na apply. Hindi pala siya dito, no? So, gagawin natin ngayon, isa-solve natin yun sa may reaction. At sa hinge na nasa B. So, gagawin natin is kukunin natin yung resultant. So, we will have the resultant, di ba? Is equal to the square root of RBX squared plus RBY squared. So, kailangan natin yung RBX. Tsaka RBX tsaka RBY squared. So, yung nakuha natin kanina na to is yung maximum na kayang support ng rod natin na to. If lumagpas yung force natin, kung nga naging 58. So, mapuputol na yung natin dito. Yung natin dito, mapuputol na siya. So, bibitaw na yan. So, kunin na natin yung nasa hinge. So, RBX, meron tayo kanina, di ba? Which is cosine 10. T, which is yung T natin, is equal siya sa 17.2763P. So, we'll substitute that here. So, R is equal to cosine 10 squared and then cosine multiplied by 17.2763P squared plus the RBY, which is P plus sine of 10 multiplied by the T, which is 17.2763P squared. So, yung R natin ngayon is equal to, using algebra, no? Makakakuha tayo ng, hindi, huwag na natin pala i-skip. So, para sa inyo, no? Huwag na natin i-skip. So, meron tayong cosine of 10. Cosine of 10 multiplied by 17.2763 squared. Meron tayong 289. 189.4706 P squared plus 1 plus sine of 10 multiplied by 17.2763 squared. Meron tayong 16 P squared. So, factor out yung P squared. So, R, the square root of 289.4706 plus 16 P squared. P squared. So, maka-cancel ang squared dito. So, R is equal to the square root of 289.4706 plus 16. 17.4777. 17.4777p. So, we will substitute this, R, para makuha natin yung force na kayang isupport nung shear, doon sa shearing natin. Meron tayong, 28 MPa, shear force. Shear force natin ngayon is, tayong tau is equal to the force all over the area, which is yung force is parallel dapat dun sa cross section. So, meron tayong force is equal to the tau multiplied by the area, which is yung force natin is 17.4777p is equal to the 28 Newton per millimeter squared multiplied by the area. Ilan yung diameter? Which is 6 mm diameter daw. 6 mm. 6 squared mm squared multiplied by the pi over 4. So, divide it by 17.447. 4777 pala. 17.4777. 17.4777. So, cancel. So, matitirang p natin is equal to... Ay, ba't 20 yung nalagay ko? 28 to, guys. We'll have 28 multiplied by 6 squared multiplied by 5 over 4. 17.4777. Meron tayong 45.29667 Newton na force. So, ito yung magiging natin yan. Magiging sagot natin, no? Kasi if nag-exceed yung force natin, so kumari pinili natin to, yung nakuha natin kanina, which is 57 Newton. So masisira na yung pin natin dito na nasa B if yun yung pinili natin na sagot. So yung safe allowable force natin is 45.2967 Newton lang. So yun yung sagot for this problem. So yun, gets na yun. Subscribe na lang kayo if may natutunan.